Man, it's fucking cold.
I work hard every day, I work hard every day, But today...
Whoa, what is up, all of YouTube and real ones? Welcome back to Simply Red TV, man. Today, you already know, in the last video, I told y'all what was going down. We got a review and on body. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what it is. First, let's get into the sneaker. You already know what it is. You seen it in the last video. Fila Ray Tracers, size 9. Size 10. My size. You know what I'm saying? Let's pull these things out the box and let's just talk about them real quick.
It's my
right here, man, the Fila Ray Tracer, man. This right here is the varsity blue, gray, and black with a little bit of white. You know what I'm saying? You got your hits of, you know what I'm saying, red back here, and also you got your Fila right here, also in the back and on the side. Thick soles on these, chunky vibes with these. The dash shoe vibe is real with Fila right now. Yellow laces, this is different. Yellow laces, the most contrasting thing. I know it may look green on screen, but this is yellow. Yeah, man, this shoe is just really different, man. And a lot of people are sleeping on these, man. I think the only people to get these before the US was actually the UK. Those guys got a lot earlier than we did. But yeah, man, instantly when I saw a picture of this shoe, I definitely wanted to cop a pair. I don't know, Fila has just been killing it, man. They've been killing it lately with the shoes. Since the Disruptor 2 came out, I've been on them and I've been peeping them a lot more, and there's a lot of shoes I want to get from them. And this is just one of the ones I copped. Yeah, man, like, I know it's going to be some controversy surrounding this shoe, because if you look at it from the toe box, it definitely does have that Yeezy Wave Runner vibe. And I know a lot of people gonna be like, oh, it's just copying off of the Wave Runner. It's just a cheaper Wave Runner. Nobody fuck with Fila anyways. That's fine. If you got the squalor to go cop the wave racers, the waves, you know what I'm saying? Go get them. The Wave Runners, go get them. I don't have that kind of squalor. So this is the next best thing. If you're on a budget, you know what I'm saying, and you want a nice shoe that's, you know, that has some hype, maybe, you know, you might see it out and about, you know what I'm saying? People who don't mind copping this shoe are gonna cop it. I didn't mind copping this shoe. I think it's dope. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, you got that retro runner, big chunky dash shoe vibes. You know what I'm saying? Lots of materials on this thing. You know what I'm saying? You got the mesh, very soft mesh. You know what I'm saying? If you see that, the mesh is very soft. It's not hard at all. Very soft. You got some leather portions right here. Boom. Then you got that suede back here. Boom. With the 3 a.m. on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's hitting. You know what I'm saying? Also up front, you got that same kind of material. Leather on the sides, leather on the pull tabs. Well, not the pull tabs, but you know, the tongue up here where the Fila is. You know what I'm saying? The pull tabs are nice. They have, like, everything on this shoe just accents itself. Look at this sole, man. This sole is crazy. Look at it. You know what I'm saying? Also, once again, on the sole, you got that Yeezy Wave Runner vibes. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people gonna be like, yeah, you gonna let you talk. Nobody cares. You know what I'm saying? We're still gonna cop this thing. I've seen about maybe one person with these on. You know what I'm saying? Crazy shoe, man. Crazy materials. Suede right here, suede back here. That new buck suede. You got some very softer leather, more duller leather right here, as opposed to the gray leather that's right here, and that's right here. So, man, it's a lot of contrast on this shoe, man. And I'm surprised it doesn't have any hype. I'm surprised people haven't been talking about it. I'm surprised the hype beasts are not all over this shoe. But then again, a lot of them did sleep on the Disruptor 2, which was a very popular shoe. Everybody copped it. I'm thinking about getting a second pair just to have a white pair on ice. That's how cool that shoe is. Do I think the hype has died down a little bit? Yes, I do. But I'm still gonna cop another pair. These right here, you know what I'm saying? Fili's, racers. Y'all need to get y'all a pair, man. Trust me, do not sleep, bro. Don't let the haters kill the chunky vibes for this shoe. Don't let them kill the hype for this shoe. This is one of the toughest shoes that Fila has released since the Disruptor 2. And I think these came out on Black Friday or right before Black Friday in the US. Man, I got these. My pair, I got them in a size 10 off Journeys. They were $74. With shipping and handling, that came up to $82. People probably paid 90-something bucks for these shoes this past Friday for Black Friday, but I caught them off Journeys. Appreciate you, Journeys, for shipping these to me in a very fast way. You got these in my hand, and you got them to me fast enough to where I can get the review out. Man, this shoe, man, y'all sleeping. Y'all sleeping. This shoe is fire. Next, man, I got some joggers here that I got from Fastion NOLA. You feel what I'm saying? I got this charcoal pair with the black tab. These with the black lines. These are for my little brother, and I got the black and white pair for me. You know what I'm saying? Super cool. The material, as you can see, is a super tough. It's not that super thin, you know, windbreaker type of material. This is like some serious heavy duty. These feel like they can keep you warm. These feel hefty. You feel what I'm saying? So I kind of like that. Zippers down the sides. You know what I'm saying? You got those long pull strings in the middle. You feel me? But yeah, just so y'all know, they do say Fastion NOLA on the inside. I'm not ashamed. Fastion NOLA men's. You know what I'm saying? Size medium. So yeah, man, we're gonna cut to the on body and the on feet. Let's get to it.